Today I'm going to be creating a little gift basket for one of my clients. She is not a big flower garden person, so I'm going to just make something simple that she can put outside during the winter and just check on its water once in a while and it'll be fine. So I'm going to use this coreopsis right here. It'll be the main feature in it, and then I'm going to put around its side some of these little violas. And then I might be able to squeeze in a couple of these white ornamental kale. And then I will line this this little basket with some of this landscape fabric just so the soil doesn't spill out and make a mess. So that's what I'm going to do. I may have to cut two different sections to overlap because I'm not 100% certain that the depth might just be a little too deep. So. Oh, perfect. It's going to do the job. I will cut and tuck the landscape fabric once I'm finished. Next for the potting mix. Alright, so you'll notice I brought this little bucket here, and it's just because I'm going to take this potting mix and I'm going to put it in here, add some water and pre-moisten it. I don't want this soaking wet when I drop it off or making a mess in my car. So I'm just going to put it in here, moisten it up, and then we'll put it inside of the container. Have lots of rainwater right now because it is raining and has been raining. So I'm just gonna go and where's my little, oh, here it is. Getting some rainwater real quick. Break up any little chunks, because sometimes, you know, when you get potting mix, it can be kind of chunky. Some, you know, super tightly compacted, and you break that up. Okay. I would be doing this out on my grass, but since it's raining. I'll need to do another round of that, but I won't do that on camera. All right, we are ready to start planting these up. I've got it filled up to this size I like. I'm gonna put a bit of plant food in there, and I'll put some more in there as I get it planted in. And then I had just some root stimulator. All right. So this is sitting really low inside of the pot. Oh. And this is a coreopsis, but it is red Ed, or red elf. I need to put my glasses on. Tough to tell. It looks like it's going to root in just fine once I put this in here. So I'm going to put it towards the back because I kind of want everything to have space to go around. So let me scoot out just a little and put some soil around the edges. Oh, mosquito, you got me. You did. Couldn't move fast enough. And I'll put more soil as I make my way around. All right, that's good for now. Okay. Actually, let me turn this. There we go. That one. There we go. All right. Now we're going to go around it with these little violas. These might sit a little too low. So let me put it in here real quick and see. Quite a bit of soil underneath it. Guess I should be filming from my left because my right hand's my dominant hand. I keep getting into the frame, blocking it. All right. Pack some soil around the root ball before I put in the ornamental kale. All right. And is this the white? They must have just watered these. I just bought them at the store. All right, so I need to put some up under. I might not be able to get as many plants in here as I thought. I might have to just do one hanging out. Yep, I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I thought I was going to have a lot more space, but Coreopsis is a lot bigger than I thought it would be in here. And I don't have my mosquito spray on, so that mosquito is, they're loving me right now. Let's see, are we better? Better? That's good. I'll really pack it up underneath there to give it support. There we go. It'll look better once I water it too, because I'm getting everything so dirty. Those roots. Let's get them a little loose because they are starting to circle at the bottom. There we go. Filling in all the gaps now. Oh, before I fill in the gaps too much, you know what? I need to go grab me some Creeping Jenny. Hold on one second. I just grabbed a little bit out of the garden. I got some Creeping Jenny, and then I've got another. It's also Lizzie Manchus. It's called Golden Globe. So I will go ahead and tuck that in there. Set that up. So now it has some of that. Turn it around. Some right here. And some more. And I think I can. So this one probably will be the best because it's got a pretty good root system on it. And they live through the winter, so these are definitely, and they're pretty hard. I mean, it's hard to kill them. Well, you know, if they grow in your yard, you know, they're more like ground covers. All right, let me just check and make sure that I've got enough soil around all the root balls. Still need some over here. And a little bit more and we'll be done. And I'll cut the landscape fabric and get rid of it. Sometimes you can just kind of tuck it in like this, and it actually can help to hold it in, but this side is too long. So I definitely have to cut this without cutting the plants. have another little one. I just don't think there's room for it anywhere. I guess I could probably, actually there would be room back here. Let me, stick it back here, kind of like hide it away. There we go. There we go. This just washing. Clean off. And I'm not going to touch it again. Alright, let me go wash my hands so I can. Alright, so here it is. Make sure everything is clean. This was in the yard, so it doesn't, you know, it does have some. See if I can get some more. Get this rinsed off. Alright. Well, there we go. Let's put it over on the sun a little bit so you can see it a little better. Alright, there it is. Just a cute little planter. Again, we have the Coreopsis red elf, and look how pretty. I mean, it's more of a burgundy red. It's very pretty. And then I have these little Johnny jump ups, little violas. It's the yellow with the, gosh, I don't even know if that's brown or dark purple in there. And then that's from the yard, the Creeping Jenny. And then this is the Golden Globe Lysimantia, and it blooms these little pink flowers. Again, the white ornamental kale, and another viola. And then here are the flowers. Let me see if I can get it. Here are the flowers, just little button flowers. They make a great ground cover, and they're very studious little plants. So, oh, you've got to come off. And same with you. You look like a slug already got to you. Anyway, hopefully my client likes it. She's buying her very first home, her and her husband, young new homeowners. And I hope she likes it. I'll let you know. Until next time, y'all, have a blessed day and enjoy gardening.